Hi guys, good evening and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so hope you guys had a good day today and I'm not wasting any time of yours. So let's jump into the questions what we have for today. Question from Deepesh Soni. I think we've already read one of Deepesh Soni's questions in one of our previous episodes. Anyways, हेलो राहुल भाई आपका आपके टैंक में बैकग्राउंड ब्लैक है उसे फिश को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है. Okay, first things, Deepesh. Okay, so what Deepesh meant, if you don't understand Hindi, for the viewers who don't understand, is basically because this is my Black Beauty, the tank video. So a lot of people have this thing that if you keep discussing a black background, they get peppering and all of that. So Deepesh has asked about that. First things, Pehla cheese, or I'm going to answer this in English, Deepesh, so that everybody can understand easily. So first things first, if your fish is completely set in your house, your water parameters and everything, there is no problem at all to put it in any background. So if it is a new fish and you suddenly like, see, you should also understand from where the fish has been brought up and how it has been brought up. So there are sometimes what happens when the fish is completely brought up in a white background and suddenly you bring it out into a new place and which is completely black in color, they obviously will get into major stress and they'll get into peppering and all of that. So first let the that's why we say, you quarantine your fish first so it gets settled easily in your environment, and then you slowly introduce it into any color. So like the fishes what you see in that video is basically all fishes which have been with me for more than 1.5 years, so they don't mind any background. So that is the reason there is no peppering. You can see the fishes in that video, in that tank. There is no problem at all. So all my fishes, even the new fishes which I got last November, now they are also in this tank. There is no problem at all because they are completely set to my setup. So they know my water, they know the food, they know me. There's no problem, right? So that's the basic thing. So first, that's why give your fish time, don't jump into things. So always understand, if you're buying 3 inch or 2 inch fish, it's almost 1 year old. So 1 year old fish or even a small fish for that matter, from when it is born, it has been born in a certain environment. When we bring it to our environment, the fish has to get used to it. Even we take time when we change regions or if we go abroad or whatever, we take time to settle. So give your fish some time to settle. That's about it. Yep. And then everything will be fine. So if you guys haven't seen the Black Beauty video, links on top. Check it out. Next question is from Roshan. So Roshan, this is with on my video which I made with regards to sprouting seeds. First things first, Roshan, this is not a permanent solution, and it's you cannot compare this particular plant into to a Monte Carlo. So this the roots are not very, it doesn't go very deep, and I think after about 10 months max, I think sometimes even 6 months, these seeds actually these plants actually come out. So even if you uproot them and put them inside another planted tank, I don't think it works. So it's not like a Monte Carlo, it is completely different. And this doesn't need a CO2. A Monte Carlo needs CO2 and that goes really deep into the soil and the roots are pretty strong. And that's when the base, that forms like the base of the plant. So that can be uprooted and put back into any tank and it will pick up. But these I don't, this will not, because the roots don't grow that deep, because even without just CO2 that itself grows about maybe half an inch deep. That not even half an inch, I think less than that. So yeah, I don't think that's possible. Yeah. So if people who haven't seen this video, links on top. Next question is from Robin. So this is the question. So PP treatment for 4 hours is not acceptable, sir, because many breeders says in their experience PP bath is for 10 to 30 minutes only, and many YouTube channels. Okay, first things first, Robin. This is something which I've done for 4 hours, minimum 2 hours. I do. Again, depends on the quantity of PP each people person is putting. If you see the PP which I am the dosage, if you've seen in this video, what I've shown is a very very mild dosage, and if you put excess of PP and you keep them for a long time, definitely your fishes will be uncomfortable. So this what I'm saying, 4 hours or 2 hours minimum is something which, because it's a mild dose and it helps in disinfecting the entire setup, and it needs some time. Nothing is instant. Okay, so this instant PP dip or something, that is okay, but this is a completely different process. So that is what I try to convey in this. So there are a lot of YouTubers, they have got their opinion. This is something I do, and this is what I have shared, and I have done it personally, and that is when I have not seen any issue. But if you see that you put PP and the PP has turned to brown, that is a learning that the PP's effect is slowly reducing. So that doesn't mean uh, it's completely done in 10 minutes or to 30 minutes. Okay, so there is no issue, but like I said, the dosage what they are using will be completely different, and dosage what I have shown is completely different. Mine is a very mild dose, so it needs that much of time for it to react. So that is why I have mentioned it. So yeah, that is my answer. I don't know what the other YouTubers are putting, or because I don't know what is their dosage. If you can be more specific, then it'll be fun. Yeah, then we can discuss. But this is what I do, and that's why I shared it. Yep. So if you guys have not seen the PP treatment video, links on top, you guys can check it out. Next question is from Dr. Mayur. Okay. So this is for the marine tank. So I appreciate that you provide all equipment links needed. Okay, a lot of you guys have been watching the video what you saw on screen. That is the marine tank setup. That is my first video which I set up, and I mentioned this in a lot of my comments also. But that project actually failed, and because the acrylic and glass didn't hold together for long, so I actually broke down this tank and I made a three-part series because of the response, and a lot of people watch this video. Even now, people are watching it. Thank you for that. But I've made a three-part series after this, which again is a detailed video with regards to everything is broken down from the tank size to the sump making to the equipments used to the sand to the salt and till adding the fishes. Everything is there in that. So I leave the link of all the three parts in this video's description. So if you guys haven't seen that three part, please watch it because that is much more detailed and split into three lengthy videos. So do have a look at that. I wanted to say this separately because a lot of people have been asking comments on this particular video, but yeah, I made a detailed video after that. So please do have a look at the three videos. Links are there in the video's description. Yep. Next question is from Abhi Nair. Is it compulsory to cover with plastic? Okay, this is the again the seeds video which already in this video we are answering one second question of the same, but this is in Hindi. This is the Hindi video rather. Mm, See, Abhi, the whole point of covering the tank when we put the seeds with plastic cover is basically to create a moisture, and I very clearly shown that in the video also. The moisture has to be created for the seeds to sprout, and that is why we keep spraying water. When we spray water, the soil becomes damp, and that moisture is very important for the plants to sprout. So that is the basic idea. So that's why we cover it with plastic, right? And why we cover it with plastic again is if you have a light on top, the light has to go in. So light also has to pass through the plastic. So that's why we use a transparent kind of plastic thing to create a moist sensor for the seeds to sprout. Once they're sprouted, you don't need to cover it. Yep. So that is the basic idea. So a lot of people have asked me this question. That's why I thought I should take and mention this in the FAQs. So if you guys haven't seen the seed sprouting video, I made it in all regional languages. Links on top for the Hindi version, which is where the comment has come in. You guys can check it out. Yep. So hope you guys like this video and do drop in your comments. If you guys have any questions, comment on this particular video and hit the like button and support our channel. Yep. So the pandemic is not gone anywhere. Like yesterday I mentioned, if you guys are interested in cryptocurrency, there are some links below. You guys can check it out and try it out. Do your research and check out. It's a fun thing to do. Yep. So apart from that, until our next video, stay safe, wash your hands, wear a mask, and inhale every day. Yep, stay safe, guys. See you till our next video. Bye.